Are you ready for something totally different on my YouTube channel today? What's up, you guys? I am Dima, and I'm so excited for this video today. So this house right here, right behind me, is actually the first house that my wife and I ever bought, all the way back in 2004. We lived here for a while, and then when we had kids and we needed more space and all that good stuff, we moved away from this area over to the valley in Southern California for some school reasons and some other purposes. But now, you guys, after we rented the house out for a while, we've decided that we're actually going to flip this house, sell it, use the proceeds for a different investment. So while I call it my first flip, it's not really a flip because I've owned it for a long time, but we do need to do some work. We got to do some remodeling. We got to get this house ready for sale. Now, this area here, which is called Wilshire Vista, kind of in the center of LA, is extremely popular. It's become super hot. There's nothing on the market. So this house is going to sell really quickly once we get it all ready, once we paint it, once we do some interior remodeling and get it ready for sale. We stage it and all that good stuff. And I am going to document the entire journey on my YouTube channel. So if you like this kind of stuff, give me a big thumbs up so YouTube shows it to more people. I'm going to document this flip. I'm going to show you everything that we do as it happens. But for today's video, let me go ahead and give you a tour of the inside so you can see the before, and then of course I will show you the after. Let's dive right in. So you guys, here's the front of the house. I've always loved this storybook country English home. It was one of the things that really attracted us to it. Now, obviously, as you can see, we're gonna have to redo the landscaping. This tree was a little pepper tree that grew a lot, and I asked our landscaper to trim it. He kind of butchered it, so I think we're gonna have to take it out, unfortunately. But the house is really beautiful. What we're gonna do is we're gonna paint the exterior white. We're gonna make it look super nice, super clean. We're gonna redo the landscaping here with some nice sod, redo the plants there, and make this look really cool. Now, I gotta show you guys one thing. So one of the things that I loved about this street are these really cool old style street lamps, and also just the street in general. Let me show you. Really nice tree-lined street right here in the center of LA. Super desirable. This area has become very attractive, especially to younger people, millennials, people that want to buy their first house or maybe transition out of a condo into a home. We're actually having the whole house repainted here, so this is going to be a really nice beautiful white color. We're going to redo the landscaping here in the front, so that's going to look really nice as well. Basically repainting everything. So we're going to repaint this porch here that's got some issues. We are going to be repainting all of this. The work already got started. And this is a beautiful country English home. I love this roof. It's one of my favorite features of the property right here. As you can see, super cool. Let me show you a little bit on the inside as well. All right, so as you can see, they've already gotten started on some of the work here, but basically we're gonna be repainting. This house has some awesome beams here, and we're gonna redo the floors. You can see there, a little bit older original floors, a 1920s house. So we're gonna have the floors all sanded, redone, repaint everything. We got the dining room here, little kitchen area here. Now, this kitchen we actually remodeled while we lived here right before we left, so we're not really gonna mess with that. We're just gonna kind of paint it and make it look nice. Also gonna repaint the hallway. I won't really mess with the laundry room there. That looks okay. And then this house has 3 bedrooms, so this bedroom actually brings back some really cool memories because this is where my son was born, my first son. And we had the room painted blue. We had his name on that wall over there. So definitely bringing back some memories here, being back in the house. This is the second bedroom over here. So just gonna kind of do some painting and some other stuff there. And then let me show you, this is actually the what's considered the master bath. So we redid this before we left as well. There was an old cast iron tub here that we took out. We made this a big shower, but just kind of redoing all this, freshening it all up, gonna make it all look super nice. This is our third bedroom here, so just redoing some of the floors here. Let me show you the backyard. All right, you guys, so in the backyard, we're just gonna freshen up the grass. This is actually over here. Let me show you a super cool feature. It was a pond and a fountain. The line got cut at some point, but we're gonna have that redone. So that's all gonna flow and look nice. There are some old vines here that look really good in the summer, not so good in the winter. So we're gonna have those taken down. We're gonna repaint all of this, and then I'm gonna show you guys one of my favorite features of the house, which is this converted garage. So in this area, a lot of these garages actually get converted into really cool bonus rooms, dens, media rooms, and this one's no different. So we got the stained concrete floors here, the built-in cabinetry, and this is gonna look super nice. We're gonna repaint this. We're going to stage it up really nicely, and it's gonna look great when it's done. So you guys, I can't wait to show you this project when it's done. It's actually really the first time that I have gotten to redo a house, have some fun with it, and then sell it. I know it's a little different because I've owned the house for a long time, but still I haven't lived here, and it's basically kind of like a flip project. So I'm excited to show you the finished result of this. Stay with me here on the channel. I'm gonna show you the progress. The work's gonna take about 2 weeks, then we're gonna get the house staged, we're gonna put it on the market, and I'm gonna give you video updates all throughout this project as I do it. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you like these kinds of videos, make sure you give me a big thumbs up so that YouTube shows it to more people, and I'll just keep updating you along the way. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video.